This is Duke University.
I think this term is going to be a far more mixed term. I think the difference is not so much that Justice Kennedy is suddenly more liberal than he was last year, right, but rather that the cases are different. I think what that would suggest is that we're not in an era of conservative dominance on the court like we were in an era of liberal dominance during the Warren Court. I think we're as long as Justice Kennedy's in the middle, right, it is a significantly more conservative court than it was when Justice O'Connor was in the middle, but it's not an era of conservative hegemony. We could very well be one vote away from an era of real conservative dominance when not Justice Kennedy, but Chief Justice Roberts or Justice Alito, say, is occupying the middle seat. So I do think this term is going to have a major impact on the political dynamics, right, during the next presidential election. Which side, left or right, is going to be screaming that we need to reclaim the court. And I think, in fact, the judicial stakes in the next presidential election are large indeed. I think it'll determine whether or not we have a real era, maybe generation of conservative dominance on the court, or whether the current situation is going to remain in place, because the justices most likely to leave are the justices on the left, Justice Stevens, who's 86, Justice Ginsburg, who's 74. So we'll just have to see.
Produced by Duke University. Online at duke.edu.